My girlfriend bought a new car and she wanted to show me it. You know what I'm saying? So my girlfriend is my boyfriend. My boss told me I could either give you a raise or a car, and I chose the car, and he got me this. And I sent it right back to the Bikini Bottom with him in the trunk. I'm picking up my son from high school in this car so he can show off to his friends. The principal of the school put up a picture of my son in the lobby saying, "Please bully me. I'm graduating university and I'm pulling up to the ceremony in this car." They blacklisted my entire last name from ever attending this school again. I'm having a midlife crisis and I wanted to buy a car for the weekends. My wife saw this in the driveway and signed me up for a mental evaluation.